The Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot, NeverTouch Pro Base, works hard for clean floors, and it only needs a bit of care in return. Let's clean it step by step so it's running like new again in only a few minutes. For best performance, keep your Shark PowerDetect Vacuum well maintained. Start by wiping the sensors, charging contacts, and navigation module with a dry cloth to remove dust. Next, open the brush roll cover, take out the brush, clean away any hair or debris, and then reinstall it. Detach the side brush to remove tangled hair or threads, wipe it clean, and snap it back on. Rotate the front and drive wheels while brushing away dirt. Empty the dustbin regularly. Tap the filter clean and wipe the bin with a dry cloth before reinstalling. For mopping, remove the pad plate, replace or wash the mop pad, and secure it back in place. When maintaining the base, always unplug it first. Clean the charging contacts, empty the bin once a month, rinse the filters with cold water, and let them dry for 48 hours before reinstalling. Every few months, wipe the ramp, tray, and water tank with a damp cloth or cold water, then allow them to dry completely. Once everything is clean, plug the base back in, and your robot is ready to get back to work. And that's it! Your Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot NeverTouch Pro Base is now clean, fresh, and ready to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one.